Ready for the runway, ready for the spotlight. Philippines, we're shining. It's our playtime. Sun-kissed skin, island breeze on my face. Walk that stage like it's my favorite place. Every step a story, every move a flame. I'm a queen in color, you remember my name. Smile so bright, it's lighting up the room. Heart so loud, it's dancing to its tune. From Manila to every little coastline, we turn the world into our playground, our sign. Crown the sun, let it rise with me. Miss Universe Philippines, wild and free. This is our summer, this is our time. We turn the world into playtime. Hands up high, feel that golden heat. Beauty and power.
Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Miss Universe Philippines 2026 National Costume Competition. Filipinas, are you ready to know who are our best in national costume? Hello, Universe! And mabuhay, Pilipinas!
I can't wait to go out there and to hear those cheers, the wild crowd.
This is the Reina ng Tabios. It means that it is the Reina of the local fish in our province, Albay.
Definitely great. The people are so warm and everything is just so exciting and I just can't wait to perform tonight.
Our first girl in the top 6 for Best in National Costume is Tacloban, Baguio City, Pangasinan, Iloilo Province, Negros Occidental, Pampanga.
Yes, sir. You know, pull up in the matte black. Burning rubber already to send a gap back. Girl, you know you were down, so what you cash at? Put that thing in reverse like it's a flashback. Pass that, my way. You know the rest don't measure up. 6'5", but I look like 7'1". Everybody taking L's, but it's never us. All we do is level up. Trust, they ain't ready for the heat wave. Making moves and I'm smooth as a clean shave. I've been winning, feeling like I won a sweepstakes. Killed the game, then I went and had it cremated. I ain't sorry, they ain't ready for the heat wave. Big wave, I don't even need my sea legs. Might get burned, baby, gotta be brave. Finna act up, we ain't tryna behave. Set sail on the wave, we up. Hot hand when I snap, see the flame heat up. Need a 7-digit number just to wake me up. You don't wanna be around when the thing erupts. Set sail on the wave, we up. Hot hand when I snap, see the flame heat up. Need a 7-digit number just to wake me up. Take cover when this thing erupts. Baby, I'ma have to cool off in a minute. Cause you know I'm too hot when I'm with it. Sauna in the kitchen, boy, you know I'm cooking with grease. Keep it hotter than the sun, I ain't talking Capri. I got so much sauce, I can sell it in bottles. So much game, I can fill up a novel. Drip too hard, gotta give him some goggles. See him sweat when we hit the throttle. Baby, I'ma have to cool off in a minute. Cause you know I'm too hot when I'm with it. Sauna in the kitchen, boy, you know I'm cooking with grease. Keep it hotter than the sun, I ain't talking Capri. I got so much sauce, I can sell it in bottles. So much game, I can fill up a novel. Drip too hard, gotta give him some goggles. See him sweat when we hit the throttle, yeah.
I am Sergio, and I love the Philippines.
And this could be our little secret. So good, but no one's gonna hear it. We both know how it goes down. Let me take you home now. I can't wait to keep it. And this could be our little secret.
Today, we are proud to introduce what we call Urban Smile's first class dental experience.
I think I know how this ends. You'll stay. We can't be over.
This experience is designed to be exceptional, personalized, and upgraded.
Me yours again. No one sees me like this. How does she put that heat like stress? I need a second to breathe like. Okay, I'm locked in. Triple at the door to keep knocking. Should we stay in these
To the Miss Universe Philippines organization, thank you for your continued trust to Urban Smiles Dental Clinic. Being part of this prestigious platform allows us to do what we love most, helping empowered women shine even brighter.
But I just need
Our goal is to make you feel cared for, valued, and confident. Because we believe that every beautiful smile is not just about aesthetics, but how you feel in every moment you show it to the world.
Got a good day.
This partnership and its essence is really care. That kind of care that builds people, not just products. Our shoemakers in Marikina have always carried our story with them. And Miss Universe Philippines has always been a partner to do that. An environment where we are protected, supported, and given opportunities to grow.
There ain't nothing like this right here. Got me seeing things just so clear. So high, I can fly the mountains.
To Today, we're not only creating success, we are creating pride, dignity, and for everyone's celebration and triumph. Mabuhay ang PFFI, and congratulations to Miss Universe Philippines.
Ready for the runway, ready for the spotlight. Philippines, we're shining. It's our playtime. Sun-kissed skin, island breeze on my face. Walk that stage like it's my favorite place. Every step a story, every move a flame. I'm a queen in color, you remember my name. Smile so bright, it's lighting up the room. Heart so loud, it's dancing to its tune. From Manila to every little coastline, we turn the world into our playground, our sign. Crown the sun, let it rise with me. Miss Universe Philippines, wild and free. This is our summer, this is our time. We turn the world into playtime. Hands up high, feel that golden heat. Beauty and power in every heartbeat. Crown the sun, watch the island sing. This is our playtime, let the summer begin. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Play it loud, play it bright, it's our game. Every joy, every dream, say my name. From the crown on my head to the sand on my feet. Philippines in my soul. That's a beat, that's a beat. Crown the sun, let it rise with me. Miss Universe Philippines, wild and free. This is our summer, this is our time. We turn the world into playtime. Hands up high, feel that golden heat. Beauty and power in every heartbeat. Crown the sun, watch the island sing. This is our playtime, let the summer begin. Crown the sun, feel it burn within. Miss Universe Philippines. Let the summer begin.
I don't know, I can't really explain it. It's just something about it.
She got those cat eyes looking at me. Made me wanna lose control in the backseat and thick thighs pulling at me. Promise to be good if you let me. Cause when you doing your thing, I can barely focus, got me hot and dizzy. My God, it's still burning my cheeks. Think I need me a drink. Tell me that it's real, cause I'm falling hard. Sell me your ideas, I'll use my face card. Way beyond my league, but we in my backyard, yard, yard. Till I saw those. I'm falling for those eyes, I'm falling for those eyes. I got that hot vibe, high energy. Make her wanna lose her clothes in a backseat and thick curls, wild and free. I'ma treat you good if you let me. Card, you're way beyond my league, but we in my backyard, yard, yard. Till I saw those.
So Project Pearls is a nonprofit organization already in existence for more than 15 years. So our main goal is to ensure that we are able to help the poorest of the poor children and families in our different service communities through the power of education and our different programs.
Project Pearl's mission is to break the cycle of poverty of children and families living in extreme poverty through education, literacy, empowerment, livelihood, and healthcare.
Nakaka-inspire how they give resources and opportunities with these women. And it reminds us that when we uplift women, we uplift the entire communities. And I'm just so grateful to be part of this Project Pearl.
So being able to have this organization, it is actually a big opportunity for women and children at the same time. And yeah.
We actually made shirts. It is about women on a mission. So I believe that that's true. As women, we can do so much, and with Project Pearls, they can help us even more to reach more kids, to reach more children out there.
It really has a lot of statements, some icons that really inspire not just me but also my fellow sisters and all the kids who's actually here right now.
I'm really happy to be here today. I love everything advocacy driven. I like that here they uplift upcycling.
They were teaching us how to sew, how to hand press, and now we're moving on to the second part of the program where we get to share our stories to the scholars.
In celebration of Women's Month, happy International Women's Month to each and every single woman out there. I just want to let you know, guys, that I'm very proud of you. Thank you for being here and thank you for choosing yourself every day. Maraming salamat.
Project Pearls for Miss Universe Philippines 2026.
I've been up for weeks now, remembering to forget how you give me the benefit of the doubt, knowing how it really went down. Now you are blocked and deleted. I can't stand to know you were seeing through it when my head and heart separated. You were the one in between them.
Get ready, Universe! Miss Samis Occidental is shining as the official host province and LGU partner of Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Adventure, nature, and panoramic views of Panguil Bay and Mount Malindang all await you at Ascenso Global Gardens. Experience the Maldives of Mindanao at the 49-hectare Ascenso Recreation and Adventure Park, luxury inland and ocean villas, a world-class playground for adventure, and the official residence of Miss Universe Philippines delegates. Talk about Instagram-worthy shots, discover the U River View Deck in Baliangao, a natural wonder shaped like a perfect U. Chasing waterfalls through Miss Samis Occidental, the province's hidden gems await you. And at the heart of the province is its culture, people, food, and history, all awaiting your discovery. Miss Samis Occidental is ready to show the universe beauty beyond the crown. Come to Ascenso Miss Samis Occidental.
We are here in Boracay for the Miss Universe Philippines Swimsuit Fashion Show 2026. Time is tight, so let's make the most of every moment. This is going to be fun. We are here at the main event of the Miss Universe Philippines 2026, their swimsuit competition. And as you can see, wala pang tao kasi kakatapos lang na rehearsals nila. But later on, you will see the girls here in this stage.
Super great experience because I used to just walk over there and see the girls just performing.
So far, it's been really fun and it's been really chill.
I have a lot of first time here, and actually this is my first time in Parao.
Excited ako kasi we're getting in Parao activity, so yun lang, masaya.
As an island girl myself, I could feel the love and excitement of the girls wherever we're here in Boracay doing our activities.
Siyempre, nagpapasarela na kami doon, nakpatan na ako. Kahit parang red like a crepe ako today, tomorrow, bongga yan.
The beach has been amazing. Yesterday we took pictures along the shore. The sand was so fine and the sunset was just so beautiful.
And so I've just been enjoying the sand, the views, and it's been an amazing time. I'm so excited to be here.
I have been craving the beach and I'm so excited that we get to come here to the beautiful Boracay and it is just filling my heart.
I'm really happy to be able to see the beach and to see Boracay because I've never been to this part of the Philippines before, so I'm actually really happy.
And honestly, it reminds me so much like my home in Hawaii, so it made me feel a little less homesick for the first time.
I'm really appreciative that we get to have more time to bond with the girls, so I'm really excited to end with our swimsuit show tonight.
Because I really love the swimsuit segment. Favorite ko po talaga siya because I get to use those dancer hips.
From the highlands to the islands, I am now in Boracay and I'm having the best time. I love any excuse to wear a swimsuit.
Oh, it's so surreal and I've got this crazy roller coaster of emotions right now.
Even if it's a competition, I know I'm gonna have fun because that's gonna be a glimpse of how we will do at the coronation night.
So I'm really happy na I get to step foot for the first time here in Boracay with Playtime Entertainment and with Miss Universe Philippines. So fun.
Everything feels like it's perfect the way it was meant to be.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the preliminary evening gown competition of the Miss Universe Philippines 2026. To our Miss Universe Philippines 2026 delegates, I know it's only the preliminary, so near yet so far, but you guys did fantastic. So congratulations to you all. And to all of you watching us from your homes, let's mark our calendars already. It's a date, May 1, 2026. It's at the SM Mall of Asia Arena, the Coronation. Mga kababayan, kita-kits tayo dyan. Muli, my name is Jasper Tiongson. It's been a delight hosting for all of you guys. Maraming salamat po. And God bless you all.
Gentlemen, this is the Miss Universe Philippines 2026 National Costume Competition. Pilipinas!
Pilipinas! Hello, Universe! Hello to our dear viewers joining us from all over the world, man. My name is Jasper Tiongson, and welcome to the preliminary swimsuit competition of the Miss Universe Philippines 2026. We are coming to you from the Bigger Picture Studios right here in Mandaluyong as we journey into another exciting step towards the crown. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a little bit of a throwback. So last week, we did our preliminary interview competition where we have already seen the confidence, the intelligence, and of course, the personality of our delegates. And today, we focus on another essential aspect. I'm talking about their presence, their discipline, and of course, how they carry themselves on this stage. From strong performances to standout presence, our delegates continue to show what they are made of. And now, we shift our focus to confidence and stage presence. Get ready for the preliminary swimsuit competition. Ladies and gentlemen, here are your delegates of the Miss Universe Philippines 2026. walking with confidence. Albay, Alexandra Krishna Orino. This is her time. Baguio City, Roxy Bayens. Fearless, radiant, unstoppable. Cabanatuan City, Filipino Society of Alberta, Canada. Princess Ryla Hernandez. Stepping into her power. Kamigin, Erica Kadayday. Grace in Motion. Cavite, Jensel Manansala Kanya. Confidence on full display. Cebu City, April Smith. Every step intentional. Cebu Province, Nicole Borromeo. Presence that speaks volumes. Cotabato Province, Clarissa Westram. A vision of strength. Ilocos Norte, Filipino Society of Hawaii. Charisse Lian Kakayurin. Elegance with Edge. Iloilo City. Zesta Espinosa. unshaken, unstoppable. Laguna, Isabel Prats. Defined by confidence. La Union, Bea Milian Windorski. She leads with strength. Los Baños, Laguna, Scarlett and Demesa. Every move deliberate. Manila, Justine Beatriz Felizarta. She rises with every step. Mountain Province, Linery Montero Yodong. Strong, striking, self-assured. Muntinlupa, Adela May Marshall. With a force on the runway. Negros Occidental, Alex Colmenares. She commands attention. Nueva Ecija, Filipino Society of United Kingdom. Michelle Tantoco Burchell. Poise under pressure. Nueva Vizcaya, Filipino Society of Washington. Jacqueline Aluning. She holds holds her ground. Occidental Mindoro, Neil Silva. A moment she owns. Pampanga, Allison Arceo Hetland. She steps forward with purpose. Pangasinan, Donna Rain Lugid. She brings her own energy. Quezon Province, Filipino Society of Australia, Patricia Ella Evangelista. Unfolding with quiet confidence. Rizal, Filipino Society of Southern California, Alicia Chelsea Buendia. A presence that lingers. Samar Island, Catherine Wardle. She owns every moment she steps into. San Jose, Negros Oriental, Filipino Society of Bellevue, Washington. Jaika Noel Munsayak. Sun-kissed and stunning. Sultan Kudarat, Jen Rose Javier. Her confidence is off the charts. Tacloban City, Jacqueline Gulrajani. Undeniably radiant. The gig, Isabella Rojas Ismael. story. Tandag City, Crystal Correos. With grace and grit, Tarlac, Marian Arellano. Wow, once again, our delegates of the Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Ladies, how about a round of applause for each other? You did a fantastic job. Wow. Each one bringing her own story, her own strength, and her own presence right here to this stage. Ladies, hold your presence and own the frame because all eyes are on you. Yes. Fantastic job. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our delegates in the preliminary swimsuit competition. And for the first time ever, you, yes, you, our loyal pageant fans, become a part of this journey. Probably you are asking how. Okay, so let me tell you how. Listen up. Through Maya, the official voting partner of the Miss Universe Philippines, you now have the power to support your favorite delegates. With a premium pass available exclusively on the Maya app, you can score our candidates across all the competition moments. Of course, we have the swimsuit to the evening gown to the final question. You vote, you decide, you crown only with Maya. So please keep on supporting your favorite delegates. Go ahead, vote already, you folks, as we move closer to the next stage of the competition. And a reminder, mark your calendars already. Don't miss the most anticipated night of all, the Miss Universe Philippines 2026 Coronation Night. Yes, are you excited? I know we are all so excited. It's happening already live on May 2 at the SM Mall of Asia Arena. Okay, get your tickets now. Once again, my name is Jasper Tiongson. Thank you so much for joining us, everyone. This has been the preliminary swimsuit competition of the Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Thank you, and see you again.